What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Honda Accord remote key fob. This Honda Accord key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now, I've done videos in the past of how to open this remote with a flathead screwdriver, and I think that is the easiest route, but I'm going to show you how you can do it with just the emergency key in case that's all you have available. So I'm going to hold the key fob like this, then take a look at the bottom of it. I'm going to take the fatter part of the emergency key and stick it in this side like that. So once you have that sitting there like that, I'm going to grab the emergency key and just twist it. And as I do that, you can see it's opening the key fob case. Then hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and then go ahead and pull that back cover off. And if your circuit board moves around at all, that's fine. Just get it sitting back down in there like that. Now I'll grab my key and I'm going to use it to remove the battery out of this holder. And this is really where that flathead screwdriver is quite a bit easier. But I'm going to take my key and very carefully come in here like this and get underneath the battery and just help get it out of that little plastic holder. Once we get our old battery out, I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. I'm going to tuck this edge in first like this, and then snap the battery down into place. Again, if the circuit board's moved around at all, make sure it's sitting down in that clear rubber piece like that. Then we can snap the two halves back together, and those can take a good amount of pressure to snap those together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.